Come visit 8336 Claremont Woods Drive, Alexandria, Virginia, 22309, this charming end-unit townhouse in the tranquil Mount Vernon Lakes, Georgeland Village community. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home offers a modern living space with serene lake views and a host of recent updates. The outdoor living space features a spacious paver patio perfect for relaxation or entertaining. Residents of Mount Vernon Lakes enjoy a wealth of amenities, including scenic lakes, walking trails, basketball courts, playgrounds, and picnic areas, fostering a lifestyle of convenience and enjoyment. Situated in Fairfax County, this home offers easy access to a variety of amenities and conveniences. Residents are near top-rated schools, shopping centers, restaurants, and recreational facilities, ensuring that all your needs are met within a short distance from home. The neighborhood's serene lakes and walking trails offer a perfect setting for leisurely strolls or morning jogs, allowing residents to stay active while enjoying the beauty of the outdoors. With its convenient location in Alexandria, this home offers easy access to major highways and public transportation, making commuting a breeze for residents who work in nearby cities or need to travel for leisure. Within walking distance of villages of Mount Vernon are many restaurants for those who enjoy dining out. Also close to Woodlawn Park, Jackson M. Abbott Wetland Refuge, and Woodlawn Village Clubhouse. Don't miss the opportunity to make this well-located, spacious home your own. Schedule your private tour today and discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community living. Call 703-474-5578 for more information or to book your showing.